So right, what we've got here is the Karcher lance to accommodate to go into other machines to cross adapt it, such as the KRANZLE, the Karcher, the ALTO, the LAVOR, the other KRANZLE, and the Karcher's 22mm fittings. What we simply do is, obviously that's your spigot that's on your Karcher, that's your Karcher lance where we're going to plug into, and the other side where we put the other end onto whatever you want to adapt to. So for instance, if we want to use the AQUA, we simply put that onto the end, so then we can use a BOSCH AQUA with the Karcher attachments. Karcher HD model or HDS models, simply screw that on. You can actually use then your attachments for the Karcher K series, the Q1, the Q fitting, ALTO NILFISK as well, or simply got the LAVOR fitting, you can go onto there. We've got the standard 22mm that goes on to also halfway down the Karcher lance, or the HDs and the HDS models, and that simply screws straight on. Also 22mm male, which can just screw straight on, and then just simply attach that halfway down your lance, and you can use your other Karcher, all your Karcher accessories, K series accessories with other machines on the market.